In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the default header and footer in Wix Studio. Whether you're aiming for a sleeker look or want to redesign your site header and footer from scratch, this process is sure to streamline your creative endeavors. So let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open up your Wix editor. Once you're there, take a moment to let everything load fully before you start with the changes. Technology is wonderful, but sometimes requires patience. Now that you're ready, let's focus on the header. This is the section located at the top of your page, and it's present on every page of your website by default. The first step is to click on the header to select it. You might notice the border around it once it's selected, indicating you can proceed with modifications. After you've selected the header, look for the three-dot icon, which is typically associated with more options or settings in most interfaces. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This is your gateway to a variety of actions you can perform, among which is our next step, removing the header entirely. Now you should see the option to delete the header. Click on delete and poof, it's gone. Removing the header in this manner ensures it's no longer a feature across all the pages of your website, so take a breath and visualize the cleaner, more customized layout you're aiming for. Let's move on to the footer, which is just as simple. The footer dwells at the bottom of your page, and similar to the header, it's ubiquitous across all your site pages unless modified. Much like you did with the header, go ahead and locate the footer on your page, select it and you'll see that recognizable border appear, confirming it's ready for action. Hover over and click on the three small dots again. Regardless of your experience with website editors, this intuitive step is just as straightforward as before. After clicking those dots, you will see the same option to delete the footer. Click delete, and just like the header, the footer will be removed from every page on your site. Once you've followed these steps, your site's pages are free from the default header and footer, granting you the creative playground to design these sections in a way that best suits your brand or message. Remember, the essence of web design is to reflect your unique style and message, so feel free to explore the myriad of tools Wix Studio offers to recreate your headers and footers when you're ready. With a clean slate now before you, you're well on your way to crafting a personalized website that truly embodies your creative vision. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy designing in Wix Studio.